ahead and reinstall the master cylinder here on the bike. We're going to start with the connecting linkage. Go ahead and slide this up into its cavity. Slide your rod through your small washer, and it will be replaced with a new cotter pin. After that is done, we will take the reservoir line, reattach that, tighten the clamp down on its surface. Then next will be the banjo bolt that holds it all together. Now pay close attention when you are reinstalling these banjo bolts, as they are very fine threaded. It's easy to cross thread them. There's also a locating nub right on the back side of this, as you can see here. Make sure that your brake line goes below that locating nub. These are factory locations and are specific for brake performance. Now once we have that tight, go ahead and snug it down. Once that's snug down, grab our mounting bolts. Where the heck those went to? Slide your guard back into place. All right. And you're ready for reinstallation of the caliper and rear wheel.